Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for organic skincare business. So as a owner of a skincare business, I receive a lot of inquiries about my products on my WhatsApp number. So now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I want to build a chatbot for my organic skincare business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to learn more about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your organic skincare business. It will help you answer customer questions instantly, guide them to the right products, and even take orders all automatically. So as someone running an organic skincare business, I often get a lot of questions from customers about which products suit their skin type or how to use them and what ingredients we use. So answering each message manually takes a lot of time and can delay my responses. So by creating a WhatsApp chatbot, I can provide instant answers to common questions, guide customers to the right products, share offers, and even take orders 24/7. It helps me save time, offer better customer support, and give my customers a smooth and quick shopping experience right on the WhatsApp. Alright, so now here on my screen you can see a chatbot that I've created for my organic skincare business using Pabbly Chatflow. And now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this chatbot by simply texting on my WhatsApp number. Alright, so here to see the working of this amazing chatbot, let me take you all to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here let's suppose that I am a customer and I'm going to text on my WhatsApp numbers such as hey. Alright, so I'm going to send this message. And here you can see I have received a successful WhatsApp message that says, hello and welcome to Glow Naturals, your go-to destination for organic and cruelty-free skin care. How can we assist you today? And here we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as browse products, check ingredients, and contact us. So let's select browse products from here. And here you can see it has sent us a message with top organic skincare picks with their prices as well. So it says, would you like to order one? So here I'm going to click on this yes, place an order. And then it is asking me to select a product. So I'm going to select a random product. And now it has shown me the ingredients that this product contains, and then it has given me the quick replies button such as order now or back, so that my customer can decide whether he or she want to purchase the product or move back to the main message. So I'm going to click on this order now, and here you can see it says, thank you, we have received your request. One of our team members will contact you shortly to confirm and process your order. And here you can see we have received a quick reply button such as back to menu. So by clicking on this back to menu, we are back to the main message that we first received. Alright, so this was all about the working of this amazing chatbot that we just now created using Pabbly Chatflow. So now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing chatbot for your organic skincare business. So here to build this chatbot we are going to use all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So for that I'm going to add a new tab over here, and here in this tab I'm going to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And you can see it has directed me to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can see 2 options such as sign in and sign up free. So here by clicking on the sign up free, you can access the Pabbly Chatflow and try it for free, and if you're an existing user, you need to click on the sign in. So here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and I'm going to access it by clicking on this access now button given over here under this Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now here on my screen you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and here I've already set up my Pabbly Chatflow account by connecting a WhatsApp number over here. So now you all might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chatflow. So let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boost conversions. Okay, so this was all about Pabbly Chatflow, and now here if you wish to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. And also if you want to know about some amazing features that Pabbly Chatflow offers that are presented in the left side bar, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each feature on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here to build a WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to use an amazing feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is flows, given over here in the left side bar. So I'm going to access the flows, and here under flow builder you can see all the flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now over here. So here I'm going to create a new chatbot, and for that I'm going to create a new flow first. So for that I'm going to click on this add a flow button given on the top right corner. And then here I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is organic skincare business. And now you have to giving a name to my chatbot. I need to set up this flow start. So here in this flow start, I need to set up this flow start in this chatbot to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see I can select my trigger as keywords, regex or template over here. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a WhatsApp template, then you can select the template by clicking on this choose template and then select your template from the template library. And here if you wish to set your trigger as keywords, then you can add the keywords and the regex as well. So here to trigger my WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to add keywords over here. So here we will choose trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So here we are going to add the keywords like hey, hi, hello. So these are some basic keywords, and I'm going to type this keyword first and then I'm going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Alright, so I'm going to add both other keywords. And now whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. Alright, so this was all about the keywords, and here you can also set up regex for your trigger type, as instead of listing every possible variation, you can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. Alright, so here you need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger and enable the toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So now here you can see that I have set up my trigger as keywords over here, and now I'm going to move to the another step. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and then here in this text box I'm going to add a common message, that means a common hello and welcome message for my customers. So here I've added the text that says hello and welcome to Glow Naturals, your go-to destination for organic and cruelty-free skincare. How can we assist you today? So this is the message, and now here under this message I'm going to add 3 quick replies button with the text such as browse products, check ingredients and contact us. Alright, so here you can see the message box that I've completed over here with the 3 quick replies button. And now further we are going to set up this WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button that we added over here in this text box. So let's first go for browse products. So I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as top organic skincare picks. So these are the best products that I offer in my business, and I have added the text as would you like to order one. So here with this message box I'm going to add 2 more buttons such as yes, place an order and back to menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well, and now further we are going to set up this WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button. But here before moving forward with these quick replies button, firstly we are going to complete the setup of this chatbot for these quick replies button given over here. So let's move for the check ingredients. So I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as please select a product. So I'm going to give different products to my customer to select the product of which they want to check the ingredients. So here you can see I've added the message, and now I'm going to add the products in the quick replies button. So I'm going to add the products as first as honey cleanser, and now similarly I'm going to add the text for these quick replies button as well, such as body butter and rose toner. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well, and now here I want that whenever my customer is going to select yes, place an order for the above message as well, then automatically it should receive the same message of please select a product. So for that, I'm going to connect this quick reply button with this message box as well. And now here after building this connection, I'm going to build a connection further for these quick replies button, that means for the each product over here. So I'm going to add the first text box for the honey cleanser. And here I'm going to add the ingredients of this product. So these are the ingredients, and then I'm going to add the quick replies button for these products such as order now and back. So with this, I've successfully added the ingredients for this honey cleanser, and now let's move to the body butter. And similarly, I'm going to add the ingredients for the body butter as well. And now after adding the ingredients, similarly I'm going to add the buttons that I've added in my honey cleanser's message box. Alright, and then similarly I'm going to do it with the rose toner as well. And here you can see I have successfully added the 3 text boxes, that means a text box for each product over here. Alright, so now you have to mention the ingredients. Let's connect this back to menu button with the main message as well. So with this, we have successfully completed this message box, and now here let's focus back on these ingredients message box. Alright, so here you can see I've added the 2 quick replies buttons such as order now and the back. So I'm going to connect all the back quick replies button to the select product message box. Alright, so I'm going to connect it over here. So here you can see I have successfully connected all the quick replies button, and now here before moving forward with this order now quick reply button, let's complete this main message box by setting up a message box for the last quick reply button, that is contact us. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to add my contact details such as phone number, email and the location. Alright, so this is the message box, and then I'm going to add a button over here for the back to menu. So I'm going to connect this button to the main message box given over here, and with this we have completely set up the chatbot for all the quick replies button that are given in the main message box. Now let's complete this chatbot for this order now quick reply button. So here I'm going to add a text box, and then I'm going to add a text as thank you, we have received your request. One of our team members will contact you shortly to confirm and process your order. Alright, so this is the thank you message, and then I'm going to add last quick reply button such as back to menu over here. So this is the thank you message, and now I'm going to connect all the order now quick replies button with this thank you message. Okay, so here you can see I have successfully built this connection, and now I'm going to connect this last back to menu option with the main message box. Alright, so with this we have successfully connected all the quick replies button to each of the message box, and with this we have completely set up our entire WhatsApp chatbot for our organic skincare business using Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So now after building the entire WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to click on the save given on the top right corner. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow that we just right now created. And now let's test this flow that we just right now created by moving back to my WhatsApp number. So this is the WhatsApp chat, and now I'm going to clear this chat so that we can begin from the scratch. Alright, so I'm going to clear the chat, and then I'm going to add the text as hello. And here you can see we have received the text as hello and welcome to Glow Naturals, your go-to destination for organic and cruelty-free skincare. How can we assist you today? So let's select check ingredients now. And then here you can see it is asking me to select the product, and I have received 3 quick replies button with the product names. So I'm going to select a random product. And here you can see it has given me the ingredients of the product and the quick reply button as order now and back. So let's click on this order now. And here you can see it has sent me a thank you message that says we have received your request. One of our team members will contact you shortly to confirm and process your order. So now I'm going to click on this back to menu, and we are back to the main message. Let's click on this contact us. And here you can see we have received the contact details. So now let's click on this back to menu again. And lastly, we are going to test the last quick reply button, that is browse products. So I'm going to click it over here. And here you can see it has sent me the top organic skincare picks with their pricing, and it is asking me would you like to order the one. So I'm going to click on this yes please and order, and again it is asking me to select the product. So I'm going to select a different product this time, and here you can see the ingredients of that product and the quick reply button as order now and back. So now let's click on this order now. And here you can see we have received a thank you message that says we have received your request. One of our team members will contact you shortly to confirm and process your order. Alright, so this was all about the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you another very amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox. So here we are going to access the inbox given the left side bar. And here in your inbox, you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number. Alright, so here you can see the chat between your customer and the chatbot that you created using Pabbly Chatflow. And here in this chat, you can also see the status of the message such as sent, delivered or read. Alright, and here in the right side corner, you can also see the customer details such as the name, number and some other details as well. So this was all about the inbox feature. Let me take you back to my flows. And now let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected our flow chart, that means the trigger as keywords, and after setting up the trigger we have added a welcome message for our customer with 3 quick replies buttons such as browse products, check ingredients and contact us. And now after adding the welcome message, we have set up the chatbot for these quick replies buttons such as for the browse products we have added top organic skincare picks with their pricings and the quick replies button as yes please an order and back to menu. And here for the ingredients, we have added a message for selecting a product with the quick replies button for the product name. And after that, further we have set up the chatbot for each of the product with their ingredients and the quick reply button as order now and back. And after that, we have set up a message box for a thank you message so that whenever a customer is going to click on this order now, automatically they are going to receive a thank you message with the confirmation of their order. And then we have added a quick reply button with that message box as well for back to menu. And lastly, we have added the message box with the contact details of our business such as phone number, email address and the store address with the quick reply button of back to menu. Alright, so this was all about the amazing chatbot that we created for organic skincare business. And now here if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots, then you have to stay tuned on our YouTube channel. And also if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you understand the entire chatbot. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.